Hello everyone, and welcome to my first game development video. Today I'll be introducing you to my game with some gameplay just to help you get a feel for what it's about. Any videos about the game going forward, I will be recording the whole process and showing how everything is made. So what is the game? The game is a two-player bullet hell type of game. It functions a lot like dodgeball, so it's a one-shot kill. So you can imagine it can be pretty stressful for both players trying to avoid the barrage of bullets coming both their ways. What you can do is shoot the bullet with your own bullet to help block the bullet, which can help in some tight situations. When a player shoots a bullet, it will bounce 4 times, and then on the 4th bounce, it will just turn into an ammo pickup. Now you can use that ammo pickup as sort of bait, as a way of predicting where they're going to be moving. The ammo is also limited at 6. You shouldn't be able to get over 6 shots. I think currently you can still get over 6 shots, but that's only with the assistance of that jar that you can see at the start. The only pickups that are sort of available is like an ammo pickup, and the way that works is when you shoot it, based on how many collisions it has. So the initial collision will drop an ammo pickup, and then after maybe 2 extra collisions it will drop an extra ammo. So basically you want to hit the jar as hard as you can, but towards yourself. So you can do that by ricocheting a shot from the back wall and hit it. But as it stands, it is set to quite a low value, so it's not going to be super important to do that. At the moment, it's like you can just shoot it normally, as you'll see what we're doing right now. We're just kind of shooting it, and it will drop a bullet for us anyway, and then there's like a chance that it'll drop an extra bullet depending on how hard we hit it. You'll notice that the jar is always there, as well as the first 7 or so train carriages. They're always going to be the same. Now that's to give the players a bit of like safety, so they always know they can run right behind this big container and always know they're going to be safe there. But after that point, the train carriages are actually randomly generated, and it picks between about 5 or 6 of them, and it will just spawn that in, as you're seeing now. However, the jar isn't actually a part of that yet. He'll be like a part of it once he is fully functional, and you know, I'm sort of happy with the way it drops items. The jar isn't actually supposed to be put in this game, just using him as a bit of a placeholder. He was actually made for another game, but yeah, I just thought he looked kind of cool putting him there. I added like a slight explosion force that sort of happens when you hit him, and that will try and make the pieces fly everywhere. It's still not working fully well, because just sometimes it will just, you know, just drop down on himself and sort of phase through the carriage. But that's not too bad. It's fairly easy fix, and it's probably what I'll be doing next. The last thing that features in this prototype build would be the menu UI that is at the start of the game, which greets you. So basically in there, the only things that we've implemented were controllers. So you could turn the controllers on and off, but now that I think about it, that doesn't really make too much sense, because most PC games you can just sort of, you know, just plug in the controller and you're away laughing. As for the future of the game, I plan on making some new characters and new carriages, and just really make the game my own. So there's this cactus character that I designed for another game, but I thought he might fit in really well in this game. He was actually made for like a board game sort of thing. This prototype build of the game is available on itch.io. I think it's a slightly older version of it without the power up dude in it, because that's something I've added. There's also like a rotation sort of feature with rotating the characters with controllers that wasn't quite implemented yet, but it's mostly the same, so you can play that on there. And that about wraps it all up for this DevLog video. If DevLog videos aren't really your thing, then I'll be doing YouTube tutorials about Substance Designer. Please like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and I hope you all have a great day.